Holy hell. This is the 4th time I've been fired. Where should I work next? I know. I'll get a job at Subway. Welcome to Subway. How may I help you?
We would each like sweet onion chicken teriyakis, please.
Here you go. You can have it for free.
Thanks, dude. You rock.
Welcome to Subway. How may I help you?
I would like a chicken vindaloo sandwich, Doritos nacho cheese, and a Gatorade Cool Blue.
I'm sorry, but the chicken vindaloo sandwich is only available during the month of April.
What the fuck are you talking about? It's available year-round, you idiot. Not just April.
I don't care. Now get the fuck out of my sight before I get the police on you to come fuck your ass.
That's it. I'm going to Burger King instead of this.
Welcome to Subway. How may I help you?
I am not here for food. I will watch you serve the customers in episode Burgermeister Burger. And keep in mind I will still watch General Guy.
Nice to meet you, Burgermeister Burger. I'm Captain Jelly. Anyways, see you in episode 7.
Okay then, see you in episode 7. Captain Jelly.
Welcome to Subway. How may I help you?
We're not here to order anything. We're here to inform you that we will watch you serve the customers in episode 6. I'm Drillfinger.
And I'm Lord Hater from Wander Over Yonder SMG3. And you?
I'm Captain Jelly. See you in episode 6.
See you in episode 6, aka the next episode, Captain Jelly.
Welcome to. Get out of here right now. No logos allowed.
Hey! How dare you tell me that I'm not allowed at this Subway? That's it. I'm going to Penn Station instead. I hope I never see you again.
Go get whacked by a big ass hammer shitty logo. And also. Welcome to. Hey. Get out of here. No flags allowed.
Really? First the logo and now me. I really hope you get fired.
Captain Jelly. How dare you was being rude to the customers by not giving them what they want and yelled at them. That's it. You're fired. And you're banned from every Subway restaurants around the world forever. Now get out of here now.
Models popping bottles.